Nivea Shanghai Manufacturing Center Nivea Shanghai Co. Limited resumed production and work. The manufacturing center has gradually resumed 3 production lines, with the total production capacity returning to 25% of the normal level in the same period, and the production capacity being likely to recover to the range of 30% and 40% of the same period, as more than 20 employees will return to work in succession. QeyesNews05 official account shows that its brand Nivea is the world's leading professional skincare brand. Laneige, an internationally renowned brand, announced its entry into QeyesCommerce, the mainstream live streaming platform for promoting goods sales in China, becoming another internationally renowned beauty brand introduced since QeyesCommerce's strategy of big brand. Laneige was established in 1994. In 2002, it entered the Chinese market and continued to introduce innovative products in the beauty industry. Products like the Psycha Sleeping Mask Skin Veil Base and Layering Lip Bar are all star products that are deeply loved by Chinese young females. The Chinese cosmetics company Ruby last year reached about $270 million in the sales revenue, a year-on-year increase of 2.41%, with about $37.53 million in the net profit attributable to shareholders of the listed company, a year-on-year decrease of 46.61%, and the gross profit margin was 64.14%. a year-on-year decrease of 2.06%. Ruby Co. Limited is mainly engaged in the research and development, design, production, sales and service of various types of cosmetics. At present, it owns 3 brands, Ruby, Crucky and Passional Lover. In the first quarter of Lusheng, reached about $63.41 million in the revenue of the cosmetics segment, a year-on-year increase of 95.31%, with the gross profit margin being 61.56%. Lusheng is a comprehensive operator of the domestic health industry in China, with its business covering many fields, such as APIs, pharmaceuticals, medical devices and cosmetics. Moisen, Runji, Shapite, Mingren, Relit, Shannon, Ipron, and many other well-known brands are all its holding and shareholding companies. The listing application materials of KK Group, the parent company of the colorist, were unveiled on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. The group responded that the validation does not mean failure, and the company can continue the process by supplementing the latest financial data and resubmitting the prospectus. The colorist is a major beauty trend retail brand under the KK Group. At present, KK Group's brands have spread to 169 key cities in 31 provinces in China and 680 physical stores in Indonesia. Winona, a Chinese skincare brand, launched the medical beauty chain brand Yanya Medical Beauty, focusing on the subfield of dermatology and beauty. Winona is a core skincare brand under the Chinese cosmetics company BTN that reached about $602 million in sales revenue in 2021, and Winona sales revenue account for more than 98% of the main business income, over $590 million. Tencent's smart retail innovative brand booster, Private Domain New Force, was launched and cooperated with Sephora in China in the first phase to help the development of the innovative brand's private domain business. Emerging brands will receive support from private domain training, resource, traction and practical trial sales, with more than 50 beauty, cosmetic and 3C brands such as Smile and Sober Beauty participated in Meigu Prospective Industry Research Institute. In 2021, the top 10 beauty tool brands in China market are Shiseido, Shuumura, Bobbi Brown, MAC, Dior, Sephora, CPB, Maybelline, Kai, Bautai Blend. It's obvious that there is no Chinese domestic brand on the list. In 2022, the market size of China's dermatological grade, sensitive skincare products will reach over $4.36 billion, with a compound growth rate of 27% in the past 3 years. Among them, the growth rate of China's online market is even more rapid. The skincare market on Taobao and Home for sensitive skin has grown by more than 40% for 2 consecutive years. In 2021, the market size exceeded 10 billion yuan, over $1.50 billion. The mainstream e-commerce platform in China JD made a response to the fact that it was included in the pre-delisting list by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. The company has been actively exploring possible solutions. It continues to abide by the applicable laws and regulations in China and the United States, and strives to maintain its listing status on Nasdaq and Hong Kong Stock Exchange. Previously, the US SEC included 88 Chinese concept stocks including JD.com on the pre-delisting list, because it was unable to check the audit papers of these companies.